Good morning, it's April 20th, 2017. My name is Jim Whitley and I'm going to share with you some of my morning notes. As always, be sure that you are trading your plan. So with our mindset signals here, I mean, we have like the total market and the SPY and the Dow still kind of neutral to a sell side bias. The Qs and IWM have made their way into neutral. If we go and skip on down here to some of these sectors, we have a few buy signals here and there, like with home builders and staples, and believe it or not, retail, and utilities. But we still are showing, some mixed, sell signals in here as well. Anyway, getting over here to the chart, so we didn't have a great candle yesterday in the SPY. We're still underneath that 22-day moving average. I think of note, at least there's been, if you want to be bullish about it, there's been some higher lows anyway. But let's zoom in on the hourly. Let's get a little bit of a range here. A 22-hour low on it right now would be 233.08, and a 22-hour high is about 234.95. The Dow, should this little double bottom area that we have here right around the fib, if that doesn't hold, I mean, we got a lot of, little tiny gaps, to play with all the way down, at least to that 200 level. So we'll have to see what happens there. The same thing, well, with the Qs, like I said, we're kind of in neutral, so the 22-day here is at 130, 135. We have the range of a low of 129.40 and a high of 133.48. If you wanted to zoom that in, a little bit tighter of a range on the hourly would be 130.87 and a high of 132.29. Small caps right here in the middle. The 22-day low here is 132.40 and it's 138.60. Like I said, we're right in the middle of that range right there. If you want to tighten that up a little bit on the hourly, it would be 134.17 to 136.96. Looking at energy, here we are. We're down here at the bottom of this 22-day, range right here again, and it's kind of double bottomish, for this little time period. We got a few steps of support for it, if it starts to break down further, with the next area of interest being around that 64 level. Financials right here at that $23 line in the sand here again. If that does not hold, I mean, our next area of support is going to be over here around 22. So we'll see if financials can get some life back in them or not. Technology, 22-day here is 52.88. Right around the 50-day, we also have a 22-day low of 52.33, and 53.71 would be a high on that. Looking at healthcare, still in that descending, 22-day moving average, which comes in right now at 74.25. We had this blip here that brings us down to Fibonacci, and also a 22-day low at 72.33. That's going to do it for this morning's morning notes. You can connect with me on Twitter and Facebook at Whitley Trading. Emails can be sent to jimwhitleytrading@gmail.com. Y'all have a fantastic day, and I'll catch up with you a little bit later.